The Africa Solidarity Association continues its actions in favor of the population of the Chang municipality and the West region of Cameroon. After having distributed personal protective equipment to the population of the villages of Nchune, Agronto, Banki, Atoshi, and Apo during the critical period of the fight against COVID-19, this international aid organization, founded in 2006 in Germany, has just carried out everything to install a mini drinking water supply network in Atoshi village found in Foroke, Chang. The action fits in directly with one of its missions, which is to implement or participate in development, health and aid programs for the fight against poverty, hunger and diseases in developing countries. It is Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. The population met in Atoshi still remember the problems that have been solved by the work carried out in their village. They are proud of this achievement and salute the actions of Africa Solidarity and its partners.
We suffer too much to get water. To get water, we had to work and use the water, and it was only dirty water. It was not clean water.
In this village, we experienced a lot of water problems. Really, Africa Solidarity came to help us out in the suffering. Really, we thank Africa Solidarity a lot more because it was the major problem in this village.
We used to draw water from the swamp, so it was too dirty. We drank and we got sick. Now that things must change, automatically change, because of Africa Solidarity, I thank him very much that we are still waiting for another project from him. We are not tired. I thank him very much for removing us from this suffering. We used to go down to Banki, 10 kilometers away to draw water. Eke, I am going out next to the house to draw water, clean water. I see that a lot has changed because I now drink clean water. I thank the Africa Solidarity Association for offering us drinking water.
This drilling comes to solve not just a problem. This is indeed just the beginning of a solution to only part of the general opening up of Atoshi. And even not only Atoshi, since the borehole had been placed at a good point connecting from Wanitakli, Banki, Atoshi. So I think it is not just Atoshi's advantage. It's a well-judged advantage for 3 villages.
This Atoshi mini drinking water supply network is a structure that has a discharge line which takes water from the borehole and returns it to the 5,000 liter cylinder located upstream. The rack has been designated or designed to house 2 cylinders of equal volume.
This project consists of a borehole and practically 82 meter deep. It has a flow of 2.5 meter cubes per hour. It is equipped with a single-phase submersible electric pump. The operation is done in such a way that the pump takes water from the borehole to supply a 5,000 liters core, and below the support, since it is a core which is located on a concrete support with a height of practically 14 meters. There are 2 draw-off taps which are made below, and it is through these taps that the surrounding households get their supplies.
Inside the building, everything has been planned for the continuous operation of the structure. To compensate for the multiple load shedding and other failures that may occur in the device, 3 energy sources have been provided for by the project.
We have practically planned several energy sources, such as a small solar system in the event of a cut in the INEO network, and the solar system during the day is responsible for supplying, therefore, like the pump which will supply the tank of the reserve and during the days. Off-peak hours such as from 9 p.m. onwards, it was observed through the measurements that the voltage of the ENEO network of the locality is very low. It was not that the electric pump can easily operate with the ENEO system. It is this mechanism that we are trying to organize with the local technician so that during the day they will operate the solar system, and at nightfall so that the solar system also has a time of rest and it is able to, since it will not be able to supply the energy stored in the battery 24/7. And at that time, it is the ENEO system that will take over to refuel the cylinder in such a way that at no time is there a break in the water supply to these populations.
For the monitoring and sustainability of the work, Africa Solidarity has made arrangements. A management committee has already been set up and an electrician appointed for sporadic interventions under the coordination of the Municipal Water and Energy Agency of Chang.
My particular role is to, well, I control generally, that is to say, in plumbing, as soon as there is a problem, it's me who is called. I'm plumbing and electricity, so I am the one who chooses the pump. I am the sizing, and I will always monitor the operation until there are no more problems. My role is to come and open the castle, load, run the pump to load the canister up, and turn on the taps for the children to draw each evening. What I can say to Africa Solidarity is that we had water. Well, if there is also the project, a Pond of Earth, that is what we always lacked, and I also say big thanks to the Africa Solidarity for thinking of us.
The mini drinking water supply network was inaugurated and opened to users on Sunday, January 31st, 2021, in the presence of local authorities, including the mayor of Chang and the senior chief of the Foroké Chang group.
I will here publicly give instruction to the director of the Municipal Water and Energy Agency, who is there to insert this water point into the system that exists in the city of Chang, so that the maintainers are more supported and may this work be sustainable. We will simply thank all the population who, by applauding, therefore accept to work in the maintenance of this hydraulic structure, which is important for everything we are going to do. I will close my speech by simply wishing that this corporation, which started at a residual level, if we can put it like that, that it grows, and that the mayor here present, who speaks on behalf of the municipal executive, will work for this association, of which I already have seen certain works in Africa, can in a larger partnership no longer work only with authority, taken individually, but work with the municipality of Chang. Why not? For what not the municipality where it is established with the municipality of Chang will remain very open.
At this inauguration ceremony, Africa Solidarity thought of the segment of the population suffering from eye diseases. Specialized doctors have set up near the drinking water access structure to provide free ophthalmological consultations, and medical glasses were offered to those patients who were in need.
In our region, people have vision problems. When they really had this free consultation with glasses, they are really very happy, because every old man now reads without having vision problems anymore with Africa Solidarity glasses.
According to the inhabitants of Atoshi village and its surroundings, Africa Solidarity is not among its first achievements to help improve the living conditions of the people of Atoshi and its surroundings.
During the great period of COVID-19, Modest mobilized funds from Africa Solidarity to support populations. In this context, we had witch mufflers with medicine left in the health center. which is in Banki.
Africa Solidarity was represented at this inauguration ceremony by Modeste Lekefak, widely congratulated for this investment, which will considerably improve the rate of drinking water supply in his native village and its surroundings, and he went ahead to pay tribute to the organizations without which none of this would be possible.
I first thank my organization, which is Africa Solidarity. I also thank Schmitz Stiftungen because we have ideas, but they must be made concrete. But we didn't have the founding, so we contact the Schmitz Stiftungen organization to help us making this project a reality. And I think they will be proud of us.
Out in large numbers to experience what yesterday was still considered a dream, the populations of the area benefiting from this precious jewel came out to magnify and salute the acts of Africa Solidarity.
Really, this borehole has impressed me to the point where the love I have in me, God bless the giver of this borehole.
We are really advanced because of this drilling. I am therefore very proud, really very proud. I beg for Jemba, our holy God, to add us, to increase us more things than drilling here.
We had water problems. We had to travel miles to have water to drink. With Africa Solidarity, we now have water next to the house. We are very happy.
Nous sommes très ravis.